current situation in Canada. Listen, as a Floridian, I don't think I would try this. Pretty cold.
Cold.
This is honestly minivan life. Pretty nice. It's like a winter wonderland. I just dropped your phone. Alright guys, so we are kind of in the middle of a project. We are currently lining the well with some more of the Reflectix material to help with the insulation because it has been pretty cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
This well has like no insulation, and this is right where our heads are at.
It's surprising. It's like a very thin piece of carpet and literally just like bare metal. Like that must be right outside or whatever. And the same goes for this tailgate right here. The plastic that you see that our heads practically touch, besides the small body pillow, that part is also really cold. So it's a little bit better here in this site because it's not like constant wind chill, but still very, very cold.
It's a little messy in here because we just threw everything around.
This is honestly, I think, the most real aspect of van life, minivan life, let me clarify, is having stuff everywhere. We have a little space to put things and a couple things pulled out from upstairs, like our kitchen tote so we could cook this morning. Wiggles has been doing so good on the road, you guys. She's actually been acclimating really well to the weather, being on the road as well. She's a really good travel dog. Guys, we just got done refilling our waters. We just got done making coffee. And while it might look messy, this is our cheers. Langeva, finally making it here, getting here safe, having our first coffee here. We got our chef here whipping up cheesy bacon quesadillas, which I swear to God are so good. They would be like a new hit favorite at a Taco Bell or something. So, yeah, Taco Bell, hit us up. She'll make your next few recipes for the low price of a few $100,000. Hey! Anyway, you guys get to look at this, but I get to enjoy it. So I'm going to go back to enjoying it.
Hi, friends.
We just wanted to interrupt and thank you guys for all of the recent support in our videos. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you want to support us more, go ahead and check out our online shop, Sticky Ickies. It'll be linked down in the description, and while you're there, go ahead and check out our Patreon that we just published.
We have longer versions of our videos that are uncensored from the YouTube versions, so
if you're interested, head on over to Patreon. Now, let's get back to the video. We're just having a moment of gratitude to be here in Canada, see the beautiful snow, be here in this campground where we had power last night to stay warm.
yeah.
And where they have showers.
Yep, so we get our second road shower now. We're very excited. It's only a little walk away, so even though I don't really have snowshoes, I'm gonna walk in my regular Sperry's. Probably get a clip of me trudging through the snow in those. We're so grateful to finally be here. We made it just before his inauguration. Thankfully, we're here safe and sound. Much love to our friends and family and everybody that's still at home, and to everybody that, you know, isn't in a position to do this.
We're walking to the showers. Don't mind my beanie in my eyes.
Or how heavily covered I am.
We love this campground so far. They have these water spigots at every other thing. And they also have a heated comfort station with showers and bathrooms and a coin laundry. A brisk walk back from a warm shower.
It's really nice out here, you guys.
My cutie patooties.
We just did a little bit of a convoluted, we scooched this like kitchen tote over to help her step up on the fridge and then up here. So she did good. She got up here just fine. She got herself comfy. Now she's enjoying the nice view from the top here.
Aww. Yum.
Yum.
Broad City and pasta.
And they're little hearts.
Wait, are you still filming?
Cute.
We have another very snowy dog. This one doesn't have her jacket because she couldn't find it. We, on the other hand, are very bundled up. Sierra and I are getting pretty quickly acclimated. I think Wiggles is too because she just wants to explore here. It's pretty nice. It's like a winter wonderland.
I just dropped your phone in the snow.
Sorry about that. Alrighty guys, this is our first egg sandwich. Yum is right. This is looking so good. Cooked in the car. Obviously pretty well vented. We got our little quick drying towel up there to dry off. And we got a show on. We broke our flash drive that had all of our movies on it. So we're using our phone because that has some stuff downloaded. Since we're in this beautiful winter wonderland.
G-Wagon, G-Wagon, G-Wagon.
They're just so much more expensive here. That's crazy.
Look at this cute little river, frozen right now. Grand Bend, Ontario.
We love it here, guys. It's actually so cute. For our first Canadian town to visit, they took really good care of us. So.
They did.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Grand Bend.
We went to a grocery store called No Frills, and it was really cheap. We got a lot of stuff for $49.02, something like that, Canadian. Probably like less than $40 US. Amazing. I'll show you everything we got later. We went to the pet store. We struck out on her food, but we got her something else. And we went to another Canadian dispensary. Now we're gonna get gas in liters and head back to the campsite.
I feel like such a grandma driving like this, but it's hilarious.
I need to get this.
What's up, guys? I'm trying to take in the view because the trees are so tall. This car does not have sunroofs, and we're really missing the sunroofs.
This is a whole map of our campground. I see.
Oh, very cool.
Clear spot 493. So we went to the front to get some change. We got our loonies and toonies for the laundry. And now we're headed to the visitor center to see if the Wi-Fi is working and if there's an area to walk Wiggles that's not full of snow. But I'm not holding my breath for that, honestly.
Yeah.
We're going across the river.
Oh, this is so
How
cool.
beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Open weekends, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So not open right now, but
If it works, we're gonna try to bum their Wi-Fi. Alrighty, guys. Well, let's see if the Wi-Fi works. These are actually the beginning of some of the trailheads, it looks like. Because there's a Savannah Trail right there.
oh.
And this is Cedar Trail back here.
Well, this is what it looks like to walk a dog in the snow. And actually, you guys, Wiggles has been responding really well to this. She was from Colorado, just like Sierra. Has no problems at all. And yes, we kept her little leash thing on. As you saw, it said, "I need space." She did really good at the PetSmart last night. We took her on a walk. Oh, look at this, a little boot thing. Yeah, careful around here then. I bet it all fucking froze off though, babe.
Only the leaves poisonous? I don't know.
I think so.
We're not gonna go very far with this girl.
Not in these shoes.
Ground is frozen solid.
Somebody, we're not going to say who, somebody slipped on the way into the store this morning. So we took Wiggles to two pet stores now because they're obviously dog friendly, and she did great.
Are you ready to go back?
Yeah, we can go back. All right, this is current situation in Canada. We are totally snowed in. Thankfully not blocked. We just got back from going to the restrooms, which are just over there. But anyway, we got back, and on our way back, we saw some more tracks. And so for our Canadians out there, what are these? Is this like a moose? Is this a squirrel? Well, I mean, because it looks like it comes up to a tree and then it's like past it. I don't see anything going around it. Wondering if these are squirrel marks. We've seen squirrels out, we haven't seen anything else out. And boy, can you see just how much snow there really is. I'm out here like this currently. It's not that bad. Minivan did great on the ride. I'm gonna go ahead and get back in since it's currently snowing on me. I'm actually borrowing Sierra's snowshoes because I don't have any.
Oh, that's a stretchy leg. Oh, and a belly I can finally take a jacket off of.
Here is the fit, and we are feeling good. I think it's day 3 in Canada. We are at a provincial park, definitely staying warm. We've been running the car quite a bit to keep the heat in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and glove up and I'll walk back to the car and show you what the conditions are like while we're out there. So that's what the facilities look like. And we are way over here. You can just barely see the minivan hiding behind all the trees. So yeah, the conditions are pretty nice. They plow all of the roads over to the side, so this main road is still accessible, and there's not a lot of snowfall between these little inner roads, so we were able to get out and drive up to the bathroom this morning just very easily. And this is what he looks like as he's trekking through the snowy tundra, as it were. It's really not that bad, actually. It's gotten warmer every day that we've been here. We got here on like the coldest stretch of the year, which, you know, extremes are what Sierra and I are best at, right? So it worked out. We are enjoying it as it's starting to warm up. It's like we start to shed the extra layers that we were putting on because we're Floridians, you know, not acclimated. And there we are. Lovely little minivan. You see we're connected up to the power right here.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm cleaning right now, so everything's a bit of a mess. We're carving our new tracks. It keeps snowing over our tire tracks, but we are headed out of our spot for the very last time this trip.
It's bittersweet because it served us so well, and it was definitely a great place to be parked for the first few days. Some of the coldest days of the year in this area, from what everybody's been telling us. So
Yeah.
we're really grateful we had a spot.
Let's go on an adventure.
Did you fall? Oh my god! It's pretty deep. She's gonna be okay, Wiggle. She'll be okay.
Wow. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever experienced snow this deep. Okay. It's getting a little bit less. Also, these are like tire tracks, so it can't be that deep.
Listen, as a Floridian, I don't think I would try this. She is clearly more determined than me. Woo!
Ooh, animal tracks. Somebody tell me what these are. Maybe squirrel again? I don't know. This is scary. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do this.
What a stunning shot.
Oh, y'all. Look how much snow. I don't even know if you can tell. I'm not going out there. Executive decision made, I'm not going out there. But this is what it looks like.
It was very funny to watch you do that. You get it?
Got it.
Does it look like I'm holding it?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Whoa!
You got teleported.
These gotta be some of the coldest ducks and seagulls out here today. We made it, you guys.